It is about 11:30 in the morning here on Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2025. And yesterday I didn't have time to make a video. I was too busy moving things around, trying out my new idea, and realizing some flaws in the system. And we also had some really cold weather yesterday. I think in the morning it was 25 degrees. Which side is probably like -3 or -4, but it was also wet, which is a bad combination for all the animals. The cows seemed to endure it well. They had minor complaints, but some of the sheep didn't like it at all. So anyway, you can see some of the cows got out of their row. I'll have to get them back later. Yeah, so a bit of excitement yesterday and today. So I just set up the crosswires, or the rows, like I normally do, and I set up 3 wires here in the middle to keep the animals from crossing. The top wires for the cows and the 2 bottom wires are for the sheep. A bunch of sheep got out when the water froze. I guess they decided that they knew where their water was, so they broke out of their row. I haven't made any attempts to get them back yet, but they're out there to the north grazing on the new grass, which is not what I want. So at some point I'm gonna have to go back there, get them, and put them with the rest of the sheep. So yeah, I'm beat. I think I've walked back and forth 6 or 7 times today. So that is probably, what, 3 or 4 miles that I've walked today, just putting up wires and taking them down. And you know, I was pretty silly when I set up the wire the first time. I went at an angle, so I had to go back and fix that, and that's even more walking. So I probably got some blisters on my feet wearing these rubber boots, but the wool socks make it nice, so at least my feet are warm. Tomorrow it's gonna get about a ½ inch of rain, and it's going to be cold for a couple more days. It looks like this is the always unexpected February winter event. So at least it's not, well, we're going to get a couple days below freezing, or nights. So anyway, not much to add. I fed protein to the cows. I fed a little bit of protein to the sheep. They seem to like it. Yeah. Minerals, the cows are drinking the minerals. I don't know what that's about, but they've decided minerals are the best thing in the world now. So I went through 50 pounds of minerals in a few days, it seems. So I put out 25 pounds, and they ate that in a couple of days, and I put out 25 more pounds, and I don't even want to check. I'm sure that they ate that. Did I move the minerals? Yeah, the cows have access to the minerals. I assume that because they're getting close to birth, the calves are due in April, that they're trying to suck down nutrients and prepare their bodies as well as the calf for birth. So hopefully that's a good thing that they're eating a bunch of minerals. This is the Martindale feed mill Pasture Max breeder. So I don't know if this is the right time to give it to them or not, but they seem to like it. So yeah. Whew. Hope you guys are having a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.